and I want you to, this is what I'm doing every morning. After I stand up from my bed, this is what I'm doing. I'm going to turn the camera. So this is, imagine that this is my eyes. So I walk here every morning on my very small garden and look everything green and fruits, and it's not perfect, but it's nice to see greens. And here I check my chayote every morning. Oh god, they are growing. Look at that. Look at that. I hope they were, um, I was worried maybe they were not pollinated, but hopefully it's growing every day. So there are lots of fruits, and now there are lots of mayflower. So I'm not worried anymore. But the thing is, I hope that we are going to have warm September, and or yeah, and that's bitter gourd, and lots of bitter gourd or ampalaya leaves. And this is pepino melon. It's there was a hole here, so I put a plaster there so that it will not going to continue, or else the insect will going to eat the inside of this pepino melon. So yeah, this is the garden. Have lots of things scattered, and apples are ripe. Every day I eat one or two, and even these apples also ripe. And then this is a very small apple, guys. Look at, it's just my legs. I grafted it 3 years ago, and look at the apple size. And you know what kind of apple is this? This is Fuji apple. So this graft has two variety, and yeah, that is a red apple, and this is the Fuji apple. So two in one tree. And these are my moringa. Moringa in Germany. I have two moringas that were um, gone last winter because of neglection. So I neglect them in my basement, so I thought they will survive, but they were dried out like crazy. So at least I have still three trees, and they're okay. And I have here gabi or taro, um, and I have here oh, garlic. They are already out of the blue. I remember I planted here garlic also, but they are not yet out. Don't know. So also garlic here, there, and everywhere. So let's go here. So guys, those are the things that my eyes see every morning, every time I walk here. So that's why this is the that's why every winter I have that winter depression. We called it here winter depression. So um, because summer for me is overwhelming, and I miss these things during winter. The tomatoes I harvested yesterday, and the chilies, lots of chilies, and my jalapenos are still on the go. I'm thinking of how I'm going to preserve them. So here, eggplants. Oh, I hate this thing. They eat my eggplant. Mm. Mm. See, they eat it. And yeah, it's still flowering. Although I don't know if it. Look at that. They eat. They eat. And let's go here. Again, palayas, but this year they will not going to have fruits that much like last year. So it's okay. There are a few, but I think they will not going to make it anymore because it's September, almost mid-September, and yeah, if they will not going to make it to produce fruits, then I will harvest only the leaves and put them in freezer. And this is the mammoth squash. It has only one big fruit. Other fruits um, are dead. And one here, so it's already so here are my sweet potatoes, and the squash are still there hanging, and there are lots of talbos or sweet potato tops, and again sweet potato, and alokpati, or what is this, malvar spinach, but I don't eat it. I don't like the taste because it tastes like the taste is like what do you call this, red beetroot. So that's the taste of it, earthy taste. So that's what I don't like. As a decoration, it's beautiful. And this is shiso. I don't know what to do with it. I must research. So yeah, sweet potato, squash, upo, or it's a gourd. So that's it. That's my morning routine. So after looking everything, oh, I haven't shown you my banana. It's already big now. Look at that. It's already big. It was just like this is the original. I removed most of them, but this is the original leaves. So this is how tall it is or small it is before, but now it's big. But it's we are almost in our autumn, so yeah. And then there are lots of kids. See, I hope they will still grow a bit, and then I'm going to remove it from the mother plant and plant them in pots. So yeah, that's the banana. And here's my morning routine. Going back to drink my coffee. So anyway, this is the banana. It was very small. This is the original size when I bought it in as a sale, and now it's already big. Look at that. And yeah, the pepino melon's still producing, but I don't think it will going to make it, because we are in almost mid-September, so in October it will be going to become cold. And yeah, and here my pear, nashi pear, this is the Japanese pear. I don't know if you can see. This is the Japanese pear. They are ripe, and I just let them stay on the tree so that they will not going to spoil easily. And this is a Granny Smith apple. Yeah. Yeah. Now going back to drink my coffee. And these are this is ginger and this is curcuma. So yeah, those are just the leftovers from my kitchen. When they sprouted, I put it in the soil. So let's see. Okay, that's it. That's my morning routine. Thank you so much for watching. This is Lauren. Bye bye.